Are you not happy with your current website, landing page, and marketing funnel builder? No? Well, you're not alone. Neither were we. And that's why today, with GroovePages, we are going to reinvent the drag and drop page builder. And we need your help. Hi, my name is Mike Filsame, and in the last 6 years, I have created or co-founded many of the most successful online software platforms for digital marketers. Some you might even have heard of. Popular platforms for digital and e-commerce marketers such as Pay.com, Deal Guardian, EverWebinar, Kartra, Webinar Jam, and the brand new hit GrooveCard to compete with Shopify. But today, I want to talk to you about our biggest and boldest project yet. Introducing GroovePages 2.0. You see, GroovePages 2.0 will be a cutting-edge drag and drop landing page builder. Well, it's also a website builder. And even more than that, it's a high-converting, money-making marketing funnel builder. So there you have it. It's all three. That's right. GroovePages is the only builder that will create landing pages, marketing funnels, and professionally branded websites with full navigation. But I'm getting ahead of myself. So let's set the date to June 2010 and hop in the DeLorean and jump back in time to talk about the terrible place of page builders and how we got here. Okay, it's now 2010. WordPress 3.0 has just come out, and it's supposed to make building websites easy. Yeah, right. You see, we all learned the hard way. What made WordPress cool ended up being its downfall. Complicated themes and plugins that were slow, clunky, and worst of all, many of these plugins ended up conflicting with each other. Yuck. And truth be told, that's why you could not pay me, or most people, to use an optimized page builder designed for WordPress. Back in the DeLorean, and let's go forward a few more years. Okay, we are now passing through 2013 and 2014. The page and funnel builders are all the rage, with hefty monthly fees to go along with it. They did solve the issue of getting away from WordPress. That was good, but they're just not easy to use, and they're just overly complex. As they added more features, frankly, it became necessary to hire an agency to build your funnels. And if you're like me, I'm not a fan of having to buy easy-to-use software only to have to later pay people to create what's in my mind. And finally, these page builders, they don't build brand websites. So you're still stuck also needing WordPress. And don't even get me started on Wix, or this video is sponsored by Squarespace. Yeah, I know. You can build a pretty site with Wix or Squarespace. But let's face it, you don't make money with a pretty site. You just get to tell your friends that you have a pretty site. So now that brings us back to current day. As of now, there has never been a platform that can do it all, while also being easy to use, affordable, and able to create websites, pages, and funnels that convert visitors into leads and leads into customers. Until now. We are excited to introduce to you GroovePages 2.0. Welcome to the future. Roads, where we're going, we don't need any roads. Thanks, DeLorean. Back in the garage you go. With GroovePages 2.0, you will now have a platform that is fun and easy to use. Check. Affordable? Check. Fast loading? Check. SEO and mobile friendly? Check. Made for designers? Hell no. Want to learn CSS? Go to Skillshare. Made for beginners that want results? Check. Loaded and ready for you with hundreds of gorgeous, high-converting drag and drop blocks and templates? Check. Made for marketers that want conversions? Check, check, check. The future is closer than we ever dreamed possible. And with your help, we can complete this project before the end of this summer. And what's best yet, by becoming a platinum backer today, you will not only get GroovePages 2.0, you will also get some really cool bonuses. But best of all, you will never pay anything ever again, ever, period. That's right. You will have full access with unlimited sites, unlimited pages, and unlimited funnels for life. You will have unlimited images, unlimited hosting, and unlimited bandwidth for life. Now, my partners think I'm crazy and that this offer is too generous. And who knows, maybe they're right. But it's okay. Why not take advantage of us? By doing that, with our permission, you'll be helping us get this project off the ground much sooner. Seriously, later on, others will pay dearly for the features and the upgrades that you're going to be getting today when you back this project. Currently, for what we are building, you will pay over $3,500 per year for these leading platforms. And they don't have half of the features that we have slated on our features list. And those other guys, they're getting old. But wait, Mike, why do you keep saying GroovePages 2.0? Was there ever a 1.0? Well, yes. And no. You see, our current 1.0 technology and framework already runs about 200 brands out there under a licensing model. In fact, my previous companies are licensing this 1.0 framework under what we call the PageSet project. Sites like Spark Membership, my prior company's page builder, and even GrooveCart was built on this framework. You see, 1.0 is a good framework, but it's not great. Not what we consider great. In fact, none of those page builders that I've previously mentioned are great, simply for one reason: they're old. You see, GroovePages 1.0 and the companies that we license it to are using a front-end framework called Bootstrap, which is good. And yes, it was developed by Twitter, but over 8 years ago. That's like MySpace years ago. But seriously, new and better alternative frameworks that are available today allow us to create sites in an easier and more efficient manner with better results. And of course, GroovePages 2.0 will have everything you come to expect in a state-of-the-art page builder, expertly designed templates, blocks, landing pages, conversion funnels, webinar funnels, and of course, killer brand websites. It will have all the cool features like split testing, countdown timers, email and webinar integrations, and millions of royalty-free images. Heck, even 1.0 already has that. And 1.0 even does that pretty well. But we wanted to allow you to do things faster and easier than ever before, while also creating better looking and better converting sites, pages, and funnels. And we're also introducing a new way to build sites by using layout mockups. These layout mockups allow you to focus on layout and not get distracted with colors and text and images that may distract you or take away from your focus. Later, with a click of a button, you can change the layout mockups to match your theme. It's revolutionary, and you really need to see it to believe it. You're a design geek? Yes. We will have an under-the-hood feature to allow you to do anything you need to do behind the scenes for pixel-perfect accuracy. But our main focus is on the user interface to help you create a pixel-perfect and font-perfect final product with perfect web standards and a uniform design that will still convert better than anything on the market today. No one can make that claim. You see, our goal is to make it nearly impossible to create ugly Frankenstein design sites. Now, remember, we already have a fully working version of GroovePages 1.0. And with over 2 years of time and more than 250,000 already invested, 1.0 is pretty cool actually. But everyone thinks a Corvette is awesome until you drive a Ferrari. So we asked ourselves, do we move forward with what everyone else has and be a good technology company? Another Me Too page builder? Or should we be brave enough to reinvent the page builder? Well, you guessed it. We chose to be brave, and we need brave people to take this journey with us. And that means you. And by backing us, we will reward you greatly. So let's recap. In a nutshell, our goal with GroovePages 2.0 is to have all the features that are in the latest cutting-edge page builders. Most at launch, some over time. And here is the best part. GroovePages 2.0 will be ready and released before Christmas of this year. In fact, it'll be available to the general public at a much higher price right after Thanksgiving Day on December 8th. But you don't want to wait till then, because those people will pay far more when we launch to the public. But what I wanted to do right now is show you some screenshots of how far along we're coming in the progress so you can actually see what the interface is going to look like. Take a look at this. There's so much more I want to share with you. We have some cool things that we're going to be doing, like creating a blog so you can completely move off of WordPress. In fact, we're not even going to just do pages and funnels and websites. We're even going to have things like email template builders. Later, after this project is funded, when we launch GroovePages 2.0 to the public, it's going to start at $199 a month. That will be over $2,300 per year. And there will be limits on bandwidth and the number of websites and blocks and templates and pre-made funnels, etc. But as a backer of this project, simply take the $497 option. That's just a one-time payment, and yes, it gets you access for life. And if you want to get a bonus perk, simply share this page on Facebook right underneath the video. And then let everybody know under this video in the Facebook comments that you're in for simply sharing on Facebook. This bonus perk gets you GroovePages 2.0 alpha access before the public launch. Plus, you'll get hundreds of wireframe blocks, hundreds of designer blocks, dozens of templates, dozens of sites, dozens of funnels, lifetime access. But wait, there's more. If you start today, we will also give you access for life to the awesome, fully working GroovePages 1.0. That means you will have a page builder to use and play with for your current business until the 2.0 comes out just a few months later. Remember, GroovePages 1.0 is the same software platform that we were going to launch before we decided to start from scratch and reinvent the page builder with 2.0. And hang on, we're not done yet with this offer. You will also get 6 months free of GrooveCart e-commerce. That's a $250 value. GrooveCart is our latest platform for e-commerce marketers. Hurry, this project is ending very soon, and when it closes, this offer is gone forever. Later, others will pay $2,500 or more each and every year for fewer features than you get here today. So get started now to get early and lifetime access to GroovePages 2.0, and you'll never pay us a dime ever again. And don't forget, right now, we'll also get you lifetime access to GroovePages 1.0 as well as 6 months free of GrooveCart. So don't miss out. Please hurry before this project ends. Once it's gone, you will pay more for less. Thank you. And remember, we need your help. Please share this page and support our project. We look forward to having you as a charter member of the all-new GroovePages 2.0.